Привет, друзья! Сегодня у нас на ремонте телефон Infinix.
Hey friends! We're getting an Infinix phone repaired today. The rear camera lens looks weird. I'm going to replace the display on this phone because it's broken. Let's get to work. There are some stains on the back cover, and when I peel the cover off, the paint comes off in those spots. It looks like this phone was underwater. It will probably be necessary to change the cover, or if the person uses the phone in a case, then it can be left as is. For some reason, the manufacturer taped the frame of this phone, which is a first for me. The display cable latch is shaped like the screen, so we remove it like a regular screen. The client decided not to buy a new back cover and is sticking it on as is. He says the phone is still a budget phone and will be kept by his children. He also says he keeps it in a case, so nothing will be visible. I wanted to completely remove the paint, but it's simply impossible to remove it from the center. But for some reason, it peeled off on its own around the edges. The customer said his phone was dropped in water, and it looks like the water got under the back cover and eventually destroyed the paint. I have no other explanation for why this happened. It would probably be quite interesting if the back cover were transparent, but we'll leave it as is. If he wants to replace it, he can do so at any time without any problems. So, friends, the phone is repaired. Let's check the touchscreen. As you can see, the touchscreen works perfectly in all areas. We'll leave the protective film for the owner. They'll remove it and get a clean display. Don't forget to insert the SIM card. If they want to replace the back cover later, we'll replace it without any problem. Another device repaired. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Bye.